My name is Miko, aka Michael. I'm a professional software developer for over 10 years now, and I've been using Qt for private projects as well as professional projects. The main purpose of the Berlin Vegan application is that it helps you finding vegan restaurants and shopping possibilities nearby. It also has a map functionality that you can search where you are and see what nice vegan venues are around you. So the first iteration of the Berlin Vegan Guide was a PhoneGap application. That means it was HTML based. When this application, this version came into the years, we were searching for other possibilities to update this application. We decided to move on just with a native Android application and leave the iOS version back on the PhoneGap status. I started developing a Sailfish app in parallel, a Qt-based operating system, and also the SDK is Qt-based. The idea popped up in our heads that we could port this application to iOS and replace this updated PhoneGap application. If you compare Felgo to native Qt, to plain Qt, one of the things that we found really helpful is this desktop target that you have, so that you can easily just test your app on the desktop, which was really helpful for me, for example, because I didn't have an iPhone back then, and I could simply test the application on the desktop. Even though the iPhone was our only target, I could basically develop an iPhone application without even having an iPhone. That's not possible with any other framework I know of so far. But also we wanted to have a good native look and feel of the app, which was missing in the PhoneGap version that we had. So for example, that on Android, you have this typical application drawer, and on iOS, you have the menu on the bottom that the people are used to using iOS apps. Even if you don't have a CI infrastructure yourself, you could simply load it up to Felgo, let Felgo build the application, and you're sure that the build environment is correct. And that is a comfortable feeling if you want to release your application. There's a really funny twist to the story, because we started with a cross-platform framework, which was PhoneGap, as I already mentioned before. And then we first developed a native Android app. And only then we ported the Sailfish application to iOS. And after a while, we realized that the Felgo app moved so much quicker. We decided to also drop the native Android application and have a cross-platform framework that helps us to have a single code base for all of the platforms, Android, iOS, and SailfishOS. So if we had found Felgo before, we would have definitely dropped that intermediate step of writing a native Android application with an Android SDK.